Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss about how to create a custom profile in Salesforce. So let's begin by understanding what is profile in Salesforce. In Salesforce, a profile is a set of permissions and settings that define what user can do and see within the Salesforce platform. It plays a crucial role in managing access and security within an organization. So let's move and learn to create a Salesforce profile in Lightning Edition. Now we will learn to create a Salesforce profile. So I open my Salesforce account and by default it is open in the Lightning Edition. And here we click on the gear icon and then click on the setup option and then enter the profile in the quick find box and select the profiles option. It will redirect us to the profiles page, and here we have a two ways to create a profile. Either you can click on this new profile button and create a new profile, or you can find the profiles that has a user license to whom clone you want to create. Suppose I want to create a profile that has a clone of a user license customer community login. So here you can see that we have a number of profiles that are by default created. So I want to create a profile having a user license, customer community license login. So for that we search for the profile customer community login. So we click on the clone button. So here I search for the profile. So here you can see I have a profile with the name customer community login user, and so here I click on this clone option. Now you can see that I will fetch the existing profile and the user license. Now I have to enter the name of the new profile. So here I want to create the new profile. So here we enter the name as a customer help, and after entering the name we click on the save button. So it will successfully create the profile and we are still on the customer help profile page. Now we have to modify some setting of the profile. So for this we click on the edit button, scroll down and make the necessary changes that you want to do as per your need. So after that you have to finalize and then click on the save button. So with this, we have learned to create a profile in the Salesforce. And I hope you have liked this video. Then please do like, share and subscribe. And do not forget to hit the bell icon so that you can get the regular updates of upcoming videos. And thank you for giving your time and watching this video tutorial. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.